Hello everyone. I am Gauri Mudliar, social science teacher from Delhi Public School, Kamti Road, Nagpur. Today we are going to study history, chapter number 4, the Forest Society and Colonialism, class 9. This chapter has been divided into 4 main topics. Why deforestation is the first topic. Second topic, the rise of commercial forestry. Third, rebellion in the forest. And fourth, forest transformation in Java. Let me introduce the chapter first. This chapter is mainly related to forests and the effects on them. Take a look around your school or home and identify all the things that come from forest. The paper, the desk, clothes, etc. You will observe that most of the things which we use are obtained from forests. It is a vast diversity. A lot of this diversity is fast disappearing. Between 1700 and 1995, the period of industrialization, 13.9 million square kilometer of forest or 9.3% of the world's total area was cleared for industrial uses, cultivation, pastures, etc. Let us see the first topic. Why deforestation? This topic has been again divided into 3 subtopics. Page number 78, the first subtopic, land to be improved. The second subtopic, page number 79, sleepers on the tracks. The third subtopic, page number 82, plantations. Why deforestation? Before we see why deforestation, let us understand the meaning of deforestation. The disappearance of forests is referred to as deforestation. Deforestation is not a recent problem. The process began many centuries ago, but under colonial rule, it became more systematic and extensive. Let us look at some of the causes of deforestation in India. As population increased over the centuries, and the demand for food went up, peasants extended the boundaries of cultivation by clearing forests and breaking new land. In the colonial period, cultivation expanded rapidly for a variety of reasons. Let us take a look at these reasons. The first reason was the British directly encouraged the production of commercial crops like jute, sugar, wheat, and cotton. The second reason, in the early 19th century, the colonial state thought that forests were unproductive. They were considered to be wilderness that had to be brought under cultivation so that the land could yield agricultural products and revenue and enhance the income of the state. The next reason here is, by the early 19th century, oak forests in England were disappearing. This created a problem of timber supply for the Royal Navy. Due to this, English ships could not be built. After that, the British started exporting timber from India. Within a decade, trees were being felled on a massive scale and vast quantities of timber were being exported from India. The next reason was the spread of railways from the 1850s created a new demand. Railways were essential for colonial trade and for the movement of imperial troops. To run locomotives, wood was needed as fuel, and to lay railway lines, sleepers were essential to hold the tracks together. Each mile of railway track required between 1,760 and 2,000 sleepers. Due to this, the government gave out contracts to individuals to supply the required quantities. These contractors began cutting trees indiscriminately. Forests around the railway tracks fast started disappearing. The last and final reason was large areas of natural forests were also cleared to make way for tea, coffee, and rubber plantations to meet Europe's growing needs of these commodities. The colonial government took over the forests and gave vast areas to European planters at cheap rates. These areas were enclosed and cleared for forests and planted with